Our windows here have changed over the years. They're not as clear as they used to be, but because of sustainability and eco-friendly, we try to get the balance right. Now, we could have gone for really clear windows, okay, but those windows wouldn't have lasted very long. Okay, we want an awning that's going to last a good while, that you have it over many years. So we're not allowed to use a certain window because of the cadmium softener and everything. So these are the windows we actually use. So they're not as clear, and sometimes when you first get the awning out, there's quite a few creases in them. But once you get a warmth and sun on it, those creases will fall out. Also, to help with the creases is pegging. So when you peg the awning down here, the rubbers need to be tight. They don't need to be loose. You know, so the more tension you got in the awning, the more the windows are going to look better. But what actually helps with our windows is our regulator tab. Now, on all our awnings, we have a piece of material here with holes in it, and as your spiky foot goes into one of those holes, the spike goes through the canvas, and it locks the canvas onto the frame, and it gives you optimal tension. So you will see on all the awnings, if you use those regulator tabs properly, all our awnings will be nice and straight along the front, giving you the perfect tension. That's all about our windows.